Now, the At the Heart of Pharma Award is so special. I'm very happy that West were selected to win it. As CPHI rebranded 2 years ago, we really focused on this idea of At the Heart of Pharma. It's really crucial to our communications and who we are. Now, congratulations to our winners. Let's move on to our next category. It's drug delivery and device innovation. Here the jury are looking for innovation in technologies, products, processes and services for drug delivery, routes of administration and device innovation. Presenting this award, we have jury member Anita Vasilevska, Technical Marketing Manager at IMCD. So, we're just going to hear those who were shortlisted from the voice of God, from Alan.
6 outstanding nominees who are really delivering on the innovation front. Adare Pharma Solutions. Appiject Systems. Aptar Pharma and Halion. Abzena Group. Kappa Valve. And Unistraw.
And now, Anita, it's over to you to announce the winner.
And the winner is, in the drug delivery and device innovation, Adare Pharma Solutions.
Just a quick word of thanks. I'm Tom Sullivan, CEO of Adare. First of all, thank you to CPHI for this great recognition. Congrats to all the other award nominees, some great companies up there. And on behalf of Adare and our development and formulation teams that came up with this creative solution, really proud. So thank you very much.
Thank you.